Welcome back to AZ Timeless Motorcycles, where classic motorcycles, real-world prices, and rare finds come together across the U.S. market. Number 1. 1973 Harley-Davidson Shovelhead FXE for $1,900, Lake Forest, Illinois. This 1973 Harley-Davidson Shovelhead FXE represents a true slice of early Superglide history, blending factory muscle with period-correct custom attitude. Powered by the iconic Shovelhead V-twin and paired with a ratchet-top transmission, this bike delivers the raw mechanical feel many riders chase today. The slight neck rake and 6/over tubes reflect modifications done back in the day, adding vintage chopper character without sacrificing rideability. With a new battery, it runs and drives as it should, making it a usable classic rather than a static display. Ownership history matters here, as it was purchased from a long-term owner of more than 3 decades. A clean title in hand adds peace of mind, and the price places this shovelhead firmly within reach for collectors or riders wanting an authentic Harley-Davidson experience. Number 2. 1983 Honda Goldwing Custom, $5,500, Ocean Grove, New Jersey. This 1983 Honda Goldwing GL500 has been completely reimagined into a striking cafe racer and brat-style custom, shedding its touring roots for a lean mechanical presence. The liquid-cooled 1,085 cubic centimeters flat-4 engine remains the heart of the machine, now fully exposed and visually emphasized. Finished in deep green with gold accents, the tank and side covers complement the vintage Honda aesthetic perfectly. A custom diamond-stitched leather seat reshapes the profile, giving it a shorter, more aggressive stance, with all original fairings and luggage removed. The bike feels lighter and more purposeful while retaining the smooth power delivery gold wings are known for. This is a well-executed transformation that blends reliability, performance, and custom style into a unique classic that stand apart from stock examples. Number 3. 1968 Norton 750 Commando Fastback, $6,000, Hagerstown, Maryland. This 1968 Norton 750 Commando Fastback is a rare time capsule example with just over 6,100 miles showing, retaining much of its original character. Purchased new in England and later brought to the United States, it was used sparingly before being parked indoors for decades by its original owner. The bike has since been carefully recommissioned, receiving fresh fork oil, new gaiters, and a battery to ensure proper operation. It starts, runs, and shifts well, preserving the legendary riding feel of the early Commando platform. The Fastback design remains one of the most distinctive Norton silhouettes, combining performance with unmistakable British style. With documentation, extras, and a Maryland title, this example offers both historical significance and usability for collectors seeking authenticity. Number 4. 1973 Suzuki GT185 Adventurer, $3,895, Thaxton, Virginia. The 1973 Suzuki GT185 Adventurer is a beautifully preserved example of early two-stroke engineering, presented here in factory original condition. Featuring a twin-cylinder, air-cooled two-stroke engine with Suzuki's Ram Air system, this lightweight classic delivers lively performance and an unmistakable exhaust note. Importantly, this motorcycle has not been restored, allowing its originality to shine through in every detail. It starts, runs, and shifts perfectly, a rare claim for a machine of this age. The GT185 was designed as a versatile all-rounder, capable on back roads and light trails alike. Its excellent condition and originality make it especially appealing to collectors who value authenticity over cosmetic refurbishment. Music firmly priced, this Suzuki stands as a well-preserved survivor from Japan's golden two-stroke era. Number 5. 1979 BMW R65, $5,000. Asheville, North Carolina. This 1979 BMW R65 Airhead is an exceptionally clean and well-maintained example of BMW's compact boxer lineup. With 43,500 original miles, it spent much of its life garage-kept in California, benefiting from a dry climate and consistent care. The 650 cubic centimeters boxer twin delivers smooth, balanced power, making the R65 an approachable and enjoyable classic to ride. Thoughtful upgrades, including a Dyna electronic ignition and progressive rear suspension, enhance reliability while preserving originality. Recent carburetor and valve adjustments ensure it runs as intended. Known for their durability and timeless design, Airhead BMWs remain highly sought after. This R65 strikes an ideal balance between collectability and usability, offering vintage charm with everyday ride potential. Number 6. 1975 Yamaha RD350, $3,950. Charleston, South Carolina. The Yamaha RD350 is widely regarded as one of the greatest two-stroke motorcycles ever produced, and this 1975 example showcases why. Recently refreshed with a new top and featuring Wisico pistons, a rebuilt oil pump, and fully rebuilt carburetors using genuine Japanese components, it starts and runs strong. A new battery, seat cover, and refreshed cosmetics help maintain its sharp appearance, while period-correct decals complete the look. The lightweight chassis and punchy twin-cylinder engine deliver thrilling acceleration that defined an era. While the front brake master cylinder needs attention and the original tires show age, the bike remains a highly desirable performance classic. For riders seeking authentic two-stroke excitement, the RD350 remains an icon. Number 7. 1972 Triumph T120V Bonneville, $5,500. Langhorne, Pennsylvania. This 1972 Triumph T120V Bonneville represents a landmark year in British motorcycle history, as the first Bonneville equipped with a 5-speed transmission. Featuring the oil-in frame design and a 649 cubic centimeters parallel twin, it delivers strong performance paired with improved highway usability. This example has been meticulously cared for, always garaged, and kept in a private collection. Chrome and paint remain excellent, and the bike shows only 150 miles on the speedometer since recommissioning. With rebuilt carburetors, new petcocks, and a fresh battery, it runs as it should. As the final year for the 650 cubic centimeters Bonneville before the transition to the 750 cubic centimeters T140, this model holds special appeal for collectors and riders alike. Number 8. 1974 Suzuki GT750, $3,800. Cincinnati, Ohio. Known as the Water Buffalo, the 1974 Suzuki GT750 is a landmark motorcycle as one of the first mass-produced liquid-cooled two-strokes. This example runs well, with strong compression, smooth shifting, and fully functional electrical systems. The cooling system has been serviced, carburetors cleaned and synchronized, and numerous components replaced to ensure mechanical reliability. While the bike would benefit from cosmetic restoration, such as paint, chrome work, and new tires, it remains a solid and complete platform. With a clean title and relatively low mileage, this GT750 offers an affordable entry into one of Suzuki's most historically significant models. Number 9. 1959 MV Agusta 150 RS, $7,000. Laguna Beach, California. This 1959 MV Agusta 150 RS is a rare and elegant Italian lightweight, with matching numbers and just 8 kilometers since its restoration. Known for precision engineering and racing heritage, MV Agusta motorcycles from this era are increasingly sought after by collectors worldwide. The bike presents beautifully and reflects careful restoration, while preserving period-correct details. Its compact displacement and refined design make it ideal for display or light riding. As classic Italian motorcycles continue to appreciate, this 150 RS represents a unique opportunity to own a piece of European motorcycling history. Number 10. 1976 BMW R96, $3,000, Greenville, South Carolina. This 1976 BMW R96 is a well-used but properly cared-for rider that reflects the durability BMW Airheads are known for. With nearly 64,000 miles, it has been ridden regularly and maintained rather than stored. The bike runs and rides, includes a new battery, functional gauges, and comes with carburetor synchronization equipment and fluids for future servicing. While not cosmetically perfect, it offers strong mechanical fundamentals and a clean title. This R96 is ideal for enthusiasts seeking an affordable, usable classic BMW rather than a museum piece. Number 11. 1972 AMF Harley-Davidson Aermacchi SS 350, $3,000, Lincoln, Nebraska. The AMF-era Harley-Davidson Aermacchi SS 350 offers a fascinating blend of Italian design and American branding. This 1972 example is mostly original and starts and rides, though it does require some tuning, likely involving points or carburetor adjustment. Lightweight and agile compared to traditional Harleys, the SS 350 is increasingly collectible due to its uniqueness and limited production numbers. With a clean title and honest condition, this bike appeals to collectors seeking something truly different within the Harley-Davidson lineage. Number 12. 1972 Triumph Trophy TR6 650, $3,300, Stanchfield, Minnesota. This 1972 Triumph TR6 Trophy carries personal history, having been owned by the seller since new. Parked in the early 2000s, the bike remains largely untouched, with good reported compression and a special edition paint scheme that appears uncommon. While it hasn't been run in many years, its originality and single-owner background add meaningful collector appeal. The TR6 is known for its strong torque and classic scrambler-inspired stance. For buyers looking for an honest, long-term ownership Triumph, this is a compelling preservation candidate. Number 13. 1981 Suzuki GS850L, $3,500, Brumley, Missouri. With just 6,000 original miles, this 1981 Suzuki GS850L stands out as a remarkably preserved example of a shaft-drive Japanese cruiser. Powered by an 843 cubic centimeters inline-4, it delivers smooth performance, triple disc brakes, and reliable electric start. The custom yellow paint complements clean chrome and solid mechanical condition. Known for their durability and comfort, GS850LS make excellent riders while remaining increasingly collectible. This example is ready to ride or display, with a clear title included. Number 14. 1987 Harley-Davidson Electra Glide, $3,500, Belleville, Wisconsin. This 1987 Harley-Davidson Electra Glide offers classic touring capability at an accessible price. While not cosmetically perfect and with unknown mileage, the seller reports that it was a reliable hop-on-and-ride machine throughout last season. Electra Glides are known for their comfort, long-distance stability, and unmistakable presence. For someone seeking a budget-friendly vintage Harley touring platform, this bike delivers function first, with room for future improvements. Number 15. 1982 Honda GL500, $800, Indianapolis, Indiana. The 1982 Honda GL500 offers an affordable entry into classic motorcycle ownership with plenty of potential. Featuring a liquid-cooled V-twin engine, it delivers smooth power and dependable engineering. This example has rebuilt carburetors and a clean gas tank, though it requires attention to the clutch and front brake master cylinder. With 10,651 miles and a clean Indiana title, it remains a solid project or customization platform. often transformed into cafe racers or scramblers. The GL500 versatility makes it popular among builders. At this price point, it presents excellent value for anyone seeking a hands-on classic motorcycle experience. If you enjoy real, classic motorcycle finds like these, make sure to like the video and subscribe to Moto Market Explorer for more daily listings and hidden gems.